Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, I've got something really special for all the MacBook Air 13.3 owners out there. It's the new for MacBook Air 13.3 A1932, A2179, A2337 2018 to 2020 year LCD display assembly screen replacement. Now, I know how frustrating it can be when your laptop screen gets damaged. It affects your productivity and can really put a damper on your day. But fear not, because with this LCD display assembly screen replacement, you can breathe new life into your MacBook Air. This replacement screen is not only compatible with multiple models, but it also boasts high-quality materials and precise engineering to ensure a perfect fit and seamless functionality. Whether it's for your A1932, A2179, or A2337 model, this LCD display assembly has got you covered. And the best part? It's super easy to install. You don't have to be a tech whiz to get your MacBook Air looking brand new again. Plus, with its crystal clear display and vibrant colors, you'll be back to enjoying your favorite movies, shows, and work projects in no time. So, if you're tired of dealing with a cracked or malfunctioning screen, I highly recommend checking out this LCD display assembly replacement. Simply click the link in the description below to get your hands on one and say goodbye to screen woes for good. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.